Hi everyone, how are you doing all? Welcome to Emaan's Garden channel. Today I want to talk about this growing light. BloomPlus LED light company sent me this growing light, and I want to show you which kind of plants I put under this light. Usually I keep my hibiscus plants in my bedroom in the winter time, and they used to bloom crazy all winter. I enjoyed with blooms. I see different kinds of hibiscus when I wake up in the morning, and they made my eyes happy all the time. And this year I don't have space in my bedroom, and that's why I decided to put my hibiscus plants in this room on this table. As you see, here is table, moving table, and I placed my all hibiscus plants here. When in summertime they were growing outside and they were doing great. When I took them in, when the days started getting cold, they started dropping their leaves and they started dying. They were blooming inside. For some time they stay blooming, but then after 2 or 3 weeks, they started dropping their leaves and they became naked. I had lots of lemons. I sold most of my lemons this year because I don't have space to put them in the house. And my lemon trees I usually keep in this room. This is my laundry room, and here I used to keep my lemon trees. And during the winter time they suffered, and they when it's springtime they become naked with any leaves, and I take them out, and outside with rain and with sunlight they become healthy again. But this year it didn't happen, thanks God. I sold most of them because I didn't want to kill again these lemon trees, and 4 of them I kept for myself. As you see, I have healthy lemon trees now. They are not dying. A couple of weeks ago, the LED light company, they sent me this light. As you see here, my son made video about that. My son made video about that, and he explained you everything about this light. And here I noticed something, that my hibiscus plants, they started growing small tiny shoots. They started growing branches, new branches, and now I see some buds on top. Some of them, they started growing buds. And here, see, here my naked hibiscus, it grew these leaves, new leaves, see, and it's growing now these buds in 2 weeks. I'm very happy with the results. And see other hibiscus plants here, they're naked still. And here, see, tiny branches started growing from this naked. See here, from this naked place, tiny branches started growing, and I'm very happy with the result. I didn't want to kill them and say bye to my hibiscus plants because they're very beautiful hibiscus plants. Last year I killed one of my hibiscus, my favorite hibiscus. It was white color, and I cannot find that white hibiscus from the store still. I propagated that plant last year myself, and it was huge plant, and I killed it because I had last year issue with bugs, and I made video about that, how to deal with that bugs, but still I couldn't save my white hibiscus. And the others here, they were growing outside good, and when I took them in the house, it happened with this. I told you what happened with this hibiscus, and now under this growing light they're becoming healthy again. And if I see blooms, I will update my video. If I have here green stuff, you see it's still empty here, not much leaves. Still I have few leaves, because in 2 weeks how this hibiscus grew for me, I'm satisfied with the results. And if I see more leaves and bushy plant, I will update again. Here, see my lemon trees, this is grapefruit and still green, and it didn't drop any leaf, it didn't lose any leaf, it's still healthy. And here I have this succulents. See, I made video about those succulents also, and I have a lot. If you need this succulent, if you like, please let me know. Maybe I will share with you this plant. I have a lot. And here I have my palm, date palm. I'm growing this palm from seed. See, it's healthy, and I don't have space for these plants, for all of these plants, and I'm keeping them all here together. And my lemon trees, as you see, they're healthy, and under this growing light, in 2 weeks it grew this new branch, see, with new leaves. See how shiny and green and large leaves. See, it's new, this branch is new from here. This top part, it grew inside in the house. Usually my lemons, they start dying in the house because there is not much light here. This room is dark, even though I have here large door and window, and still this, it's not enough for plants. And in other rooms I have my orchids and my other plants, and in other rooms under window sill I don't have space for them, and I had to put my all hibiscus here, and I nearly could kill them. Now it didn't happen. Thanks for this company, they sent me this light. Why I placed my all these plants here, because I thought that they can get light from my growing light. Here on the shelves, on 4 shelves, I have growing light, and under this growing light my plants, they grow good, well. See how this lipstick Hoya blooming, it started blooming I think 2 months ago or 3 months ago. And when I made the video about this plant, it was blooming from the bottom part, from here on tip of the branches. Now it started blooming even on top. From top here I didn't have any blooms, now it's blooming, and still every day I have, see how many flowers I have. Beautiful plant, and I have lots of buds which are going to bloom me soon. And see how many flowers it's dropping every day. Here it's falling, and old flowers are falling and the new ones are blooming. I thought that my plants which are on this table, they will get light from the shelf, from these lights, and they can get light from outside, from sunlight, but it was not enough, because this is north facing window, and sun, it's very less here, only in the morning time. And the plants, this room is dark for the plants, it's not enough. Even this light, my plants, they cannot get light from these lights because my other plants, they're covering the light, and that's why my hibiscus plants, they started dying. Now it's recovering again, and I hope that I will see more blooms again. I will show you how these hibiscus plants were blooming when I put them in this room. They were absolutely healthy plants, but see what happened. And now we will see, after months I will update. I will see what kind of results I will have from this growing light, and if I like, I will update and tell you. Right now I don't see much difference, but there is still good results. That's why if I see more blooms or more leaves, I will update. After months we will see. Remember this table, I will not move or change anything. Whatever is here is here. See how many hibiscus plants I have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 hibiscus plants I have on this table, and 3 lemon trees, 1 grapefruit, and I have here mother-in-law's tongue, snake plant, other name how they call, and here I have date palm, and this is saga palm, and they are doing good. This date palm, it started growing new leaf here. I see this new leaf. This leaf is growing in the house. See here, it's good result also. And this lemon tree I already showed you. See here, these new branches from top, they started growing. Usually in the house they die, but this year it's doing great. See this, how much new leaves it grew. And here I have my saga palm, and it grew this new leaf. This is new, see, it's soft, new, and this leaf is growing now. I'm very pleased with the results. Here I have my cayenne peppers. They were growing in my backyard, in my garden, and I didn't want to leave them outside and kill them. That's why I replanted them in these pots. See, and I have here results too. This cayenne pepper started growing new leaves in the top. See, these are new leaves. It has good results too, and still it's live. Usually when you replant them, when you put them in the pot, they die. See, this one already died because I put them in this room before putting this growing light, and we will see the results.
Okay guys, we are really excited because we're partnered with BloomPlus LED, and we are giving away this growing light for Black Friday, and you can win one of BP 1000 LED growing light for free, and it can be shipped to USA, Canada, AU. So how you can enter this giveaway is you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and leave your country in the comments, and come and participate enthusiastically. Share with your friends so they may have the chance as well to win this growing light. And the dates are, so it will be 23rd of November. I know we're behind, but the due date is November 30th, and the winner will be chosen randomly at 9 p.m. So good luck guys, and don't forget to comment below your country name, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. The link of this growing light will be in the description below, so you can check it out and see what kind of LED growing light it is. We made a review about this light, so you can check that video too, and see you next time.